These are the ingredients you need.
Eggs, butter, bananas, chocolate chips, cinnamon, baking powder, milk, baking soda, and salt, flour, and sugar.
First, cream the butter and sugar.
In the meantime, mash bananas and add milk. Next, add the eggs.
Next, add the banana and cinnamon. While that's mixing, we'll combine the dry ingredients.
Then we'll add the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients.
I have to add chocolate chips. Now we put it in the pan.
Preheat oven to 325 and bake for 1 hour and 15 minutes.
Now for my favorite part, the taste test.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and join us next time.